When we're pairing shapes, basically what you're reading when you see a question like this is shape over there, shape number 1 is to shape number 2, as shape number 3 is to, right? And so you're looking for which shape, oh, there it is. There are the words. You're looking for which shape matches the third shape in the same way that those two first shapes match each other. So here the rule, for example, was that semicircles become triangles. So the correct shape in this case would be this one, because all of the rounded parts, all of the semicircles become pointy, become triangles. Here is the two fantastic mnemonics that you should use over and over and over again whenever you're solving NVR questions. But this is the first one, never say stop to a cute panda, which stands for number, size, shape, total, angle, color, pattern. So those are the 7 things that you should maybe look out for when you're trying to find, like, what could possibly match between these two shapes? Could it be the number of shapes? Could it be the size of the shape? Could it be the shape of the shape? Could it be the total number of things? Could it be the way that the angles are? Is it an obtuse angle or an acute angle? How about the colors? Are the colors the same? Are they different? How about the inner pattern? Remember how we had dots and zigzags and lines? Those are different types of patterns. Okay, that's our first mnemonic. Never say stop to a cute panda. Our second mnemonic is Mops. These are Mops. That's a good way to remember movement, orientation, placement, and symmetry. These are also things that you can look out for whenever you are trying to solve an NVR question,